Patreon exclusive. What's up, fellas? As usual, I'm here at the end of the month with my video, but here it is. What we have here is a pair of Pierce Audio 500 watt platform 3 ohm 8-inch subwoofers. They are in need of some cosmetic love, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to scrape off all that silicone, get them painted up, put a new dust cap on there, put new cork, so let's see how it happens. Okay, I've already prepped all these and I painted up the rings where the silicone was and I had to sand it down, so all that's done. Now we're on to replacing these dust caps, and then we need to put the cork on here, the cork gasket. First we'll have to remove these and then obviously glue them. I've got my glue sitting up ready. I went with a little bigger dust cap this time, so I think they look a little bit better, a little bigger, and it's kind of hard to find these smaller ones. So now all we need to do is remove them and we'll be ready to go. Okay, let's start with the one that is damaged. I'm just going to take my razor and carefully cut along the glue line here. Now we're going to take this dust cap, place a little bit of glue along this edge, and then I had to find something heavy enough to sit on here to hold it down, but not so heavy that it damages the dust cap, because this is a paper dust cap. I've already got my glue sitting over here ready. I just need to carefully apply it with my Q-tip. Now we just need to carefully place this directly in the center. Place our battery on top to hold it down. Then we can move on to the cork surround. I've already got the glue, I just need to set this carefully in place. Now that we've got the glue in place, we'll kind of apply pressure to it. And what I'll do is I'll take the other subwoofer and set it upside down on this to let it dry instead of using clamps, because the clamp seems to put a little bit too much force on this. Here's how they turned out. I think they turned out pretty nice. Not quite brand new, but they look pretty good. While you're checking out how they turned out, I just want to say to each one of you, I really appreciate what you do for me on Patreon, supporting me, letting me know that what I do does have some value to you. And from the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thank you.